So you're trying to do keyword optimization for your Amazon listing, but you run out of space to add all the keywords that you need to add into the listing, into the back end. There's just no place left. Hey, this is Nick Hodge of Sellers Arena, and in this video, I'm gonna show you a secret place where you can add more keywords so that you can index for more keywords and so your product can be more relevant in the eyes of Amazon's algorithm. But in this video, I'm gonna show you to get even more keywords in, and that's using the A+ content. But in addition to that, these images provide additional SEO real estate. Okay, so within these images, we can actually embed text. So with that said, there's a lot of keywords that either A, you couldn't fit either in the listing, and then even maybe you had spillover from what you couldn't fit in the listing in the back end, like in the search terms, for example, you need even more space